today we'll solve the exercise. Let us open page number 18. The A, fill in the blanks using these words. They have given some words in the brackets. So choose that word and write in the blanks. First one, Simha was the king of the forest. The answer is king. Write down the king. Simha was the king of the forest. Next, second one. The little mouse was playing nearby. The answer is mouse. Write down the mouse. Okay. Next, third one. Fred cut the net with his sharp teeth. So write down net. Simha said thank you to Fred. So answer is thank you. Write down the thank you. Okay. Next, coming towards the B main, answer the following questions. The first question, why was Simha angry? The little mouse Fred ran up and down on Simha, so the Simha was angry. Second question, what happened to Simha when he was walking in the forest? When the Simha was walking in the forest, he did not see a big net. Simha fell into the net. Okay, this is the answer. Third one, how did Fred help Simha? By cutting the net with its sharp teeth, the Fred helped to the Simha. Fourth one, if someone help us, what should we say? If someone help us means we should say thank you. These are the answers I will send to your WhatsApp number. Okay. Next, coming to the horse. This story was about a lion and a mouse. Choose any two big and small animals and write 4 facts about each of them. Okay. Now, the friendly need story is in between the mouse and the lion. So, like that, you need to choose some 4 big animals and small animals. Choose the animals and write 4 facts about each of them. 4 facts means is they big or small, how they look, the color and the tail. Okay, the characteristic of that animal you need to list out. Next, vocabulary. Write the names of 4 wild animals, 4 farm animals and 4 pets. Follow the examples. Wild animals. Which are the wild animals? Do you know that? You have learned in your previous classes. Okay, wild animals. Deer, lion, tiger, cheetah. These are all called as the wild animals. Next, farm animals. Farm animals means in the land which animals we use. For example, cow, ox, buffalo. Yes, these are called as the farm animals. Next, pets. Pets means domestic animals. Dog, cat, hen. These are all the pets. Okay. Next, coming to the pronunciation. Turn the page number 19. Repeat after your teacher. I will pronounce it. The words you can repeat after me. Okay. Leave, leave. Dip, deep. Sit, sit. Reach, reach. Fill, feel. Okay. When the double E comes here, for example, so this is just live. Next, leave. So L-E-A-V-E is leave. Dip, deep. Okay. Next, sit, sit. Okay. Next, reach, reach. Next, fill, feel. So, fill is different meaning and the feel is different meaning. Next, listening and speaking. Form up pairs and practice the dialogue. Continue the conversation with a different situation. 2 dialogues are given here. So, you should need to practice in your home. The first dialogue is, I am very sorry that I spilled milk on the carpet. Don't worry about it. That's all right. Means something you did the mistake means you need to ask sorry. I'm very sorry that I spilled milk on the carpet. But for that the opposite person used to say that it's okay. Don't worry about it. That's all right. Means let it be. It's okay. Nothing to worry. Okay. Next, coming to the language and grammar part, read the following means the singular and the plural. Singular means, for example, only one thing we call it as the singular. For example, one pencil, one book, and one boy, one girl. These all are the singular. Next, plural means more than one. Singular means only one. Plural means more than one. It may be 2, 3, 4 and so on. More than one we call it as the plurals. For example, many boys, many girls, 5 pencils, 6 books. Okay, these all are the plurals. Remember these rules for plurals. Rule 1, we add s to some words, form their plurals. Whenever the plural word is there, that time you need to add the s. I will show you singular and plural. Okay. In the grammar part, okay, singular and plural. Singular. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಏಕವಚನ, ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ಸ್ ಬಹುವಚನ. Okay, singulars and plural. Okay, for example, here only one, we call it as the singular. Only one thing or one person. Next, plural means more than one. It may be 2, 3, 4 and so on. More than one. For example, here I am taking that one boy or one pencil. This is example. I am writing here example, one pencil. So, in the plural form, how you will write? One boy means more boys. More boys. So here I am adding the yes in the plural form. And next, one pencil. So you can write it here, 2 pencils. 2 pencils. Only to, from the singular, if you want to make the plural means, only need to add yes. Plural form ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Yes ಮಾತ್ರ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. It becomes the plural. From the singular it becomes the plural. Like that you can book, books, bell, bells. Okay. So in the singular form you written book means what will be the plural form? So books. Okay. Clear? Okay, here write the plurals of these words. Some words they have given in your textbook. You need to make those words in the plural form. Bell, bells. Cow, cows. Game, games. Toy, toys. Table, tables. Doll, dolls. So only add s. Can you do it in home? Okay. Next, there is in the plural we have 2 rules. The first one is adding the s, and the second rule, which is the second rule? So adding the s is rule 1. First rule, this is the first rule. What is the second rule of the plural? Second rule. Second rule is for words ending in the ss, x, sh, ch and o, we add es means some words will end with the double s or the x or sh, ch or o. For example, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಿದು ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್. ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವ? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್. ಬಟ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಓ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಆಡ್ es, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಸ್. Yes, mangoes. If you add es means it becomes the plural. Okay, mango, mangoes. Next, for that tomato, tomatoes. Potato, potatoes. Next, match, matches. Wish, wishes. Fox, foxes. Class, classes. Asses. So here for each and every word we are adding the es. So in the plural we get two rules. One is only adding the s, and the another rule is, second rule is adding the es. Okay, but here singular there is no rules at all. Singular means only one. But in the plurals we have two rules. The first rule is whenever the word we need to add s to make that word plural, and the another rule is add es. Okay, okay. Here now write the plurals of these words. Batch. ಈ batch ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? batch. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ch ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ch ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ch ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? I told you that is here the rule 2 is applicable. So rule 2 ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಿದು? ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ singular form. So if you add es means batches. So now it becomes the plural form. By adding the es you can make that batches. Like that. Box, boxes. Next, tomato, tomato, tomatoes. So each and every word you need to add es. Dish, dishes. Next, fifth one, patch, patches. Okay. Next, the last one, dress, dresses. Dress, dresses. Clear? So here these are the singular words, and by adding the es we did that plurals. Okay. Next, there is also one more rule is there in the plural form. Rule 3. What is that rule 3? So the rule 3 is adding only if the word is ending with the y alphabet. That time you need to use ies. Okay. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದ ವಾಯ್ ಇಂದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆದಾಗ ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ies. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಬೇಬಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಬೇಬಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಶಬ್ದ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? ವಿಚ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್? ವಾಯ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ವಾಯ್ ಹತ್ರ ಎಂಡ್ ಆದಾಗ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳೀನಿ IES ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್. ಸೊ ಆಡ್ ಬೇಬೀಸ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಬೇಬಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಬೇಬಿ, ಬಟ್ ಬೇಬೀಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಒನ್. ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. Family. Again the family word is ending with a Y letter. So families. Families. So this is the rule 3. See children, keep it in the mind that in the plural form we got that 3 rules. The first rule is adding the S. For every alphabet adding the S, if you add S means it becomes the plural. And the rule 2 is which words will end with the double S, X, SH, CH or O. That time you need to add the which letter? ES. Mangoes. I have given the mango example. Next, rule 3 is this one. Which word is ends with a Y, you need to add IES to make the plural form. For example, baby, babies, family, families. Okay. Sorry. So like that, some more words are given here. Write the plurals of these words. Army, armies, story, stories, sky, skies, city, cities, fly, flies, lady, ladies. Okay. Body, bodies. So only you need to add, remove the Y, add the IES. Then it becomes the plural word, plural form. Okay. Okay children, so you'll do it. And also writing practice is there. Here they have given 3 words that, dear friend, I wish to friend for saving my life. I wish to be your friend from now on. I now know that helping each other is caring. So thank you once again with love, Sima. So complete this writing practice. Okay. And also there is one activity is there. So just according to these numbers color this line. Okay. So for the first number, blue color. Look at these colors and fill this line with the colors. Use crayons. Okay. Complete this activity. We'll meet in the next class. Have a nice day.